I'm Gene, and this is the FireSprint Economy Retractable Banner Stand. You are going to love this product. Over the next couple of minutes, I'm going to show you some tips and tricks on setting this up properly to help your customer display their message. Keep in mind that we also provide a customer-safe video. There's a link at the bottom that you can show your client or customer if you need to. This banner stand includes a padded case. Now, it might look a lot like other cases that you've seen for a similar type of banner stand. This one's padded, it's heavy duty. You're really gonna like this one. Smooth operating zippers on the outside, and I'm gonna pull the one piece out of here because the holes are actually inside the stand itself. Set this aside, I don't need that any longer. And then these poles, they just kind of work their way out of the inside of the stand like that. You might have to finagle them just a little bit, but they'll come out. Now we can set our stand up. Now on the bottom, you'll notice 2 feet. I want to rotate these so they're perpendicular to the banner stand like that to provide stability. And then we're going to set it down. Now behind here, there is a slotted hole that the pole is actually going to fit down into. So I'm going to place that in there, and I'm going to make sure that that is fully seated at the bottom. I'm going to rotate so my hook is facing away from me, and I'm going to grab the banner stand itself and the aluminum channel on the top with one hand, and I'm going to use my other hand to hold the pole in place. And I may also place my foot on top of one of these support feet here on the bottom to keep that banner stand down while I'm pulling up on it. If I don't support it from the bottom, it may kind of spring back up with me. It's fairly lightweight. And I'm going to insert the hook into the aluminum channel at the top. And we have our retractable banner stand set up and ready for presentation. To take the banner stand down for storage, it's very simple. We're just going to unhook the top hook here. And I just kind of twist that away from myself. And then I'm going to hold on to the banner stand itself, or the banner itself. Don't let it slam down into the stand. That's the fastest way we see these things kind of get broken. So I'm going to gently kind of guide this down into the stand, and that's going to really help it last a long time. I'm going to pull my pole out here, and just like a old tent stakes, kind of disassemble that way. Pick up the banner stand, actually rotate the feet back in parallel again. And then, believe it or not, this slot back here will fit this assembly. And you just kind of have to work it in from one side and then the other. And that will keep it in place so that it can go back into the carrying case that was provided.